Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today the challenge is simple. If I lose a Prodigy battle, I owe you guys a membership. Okay guys, so yes, you did hear that right. If I lose this battle, I am going to give away a membership for anyone to claim. So let's get into the battle. Okay guys, I sent the request to First Made in East, guys.
Stupid.
Okay, I'm actually really nervous. Okay guys, I really need to win this battle. So let's just hope he's stupid.
Stupid.
Okay, we're doing some really good damage off the start. And he is going to miss. Let's go! Let's go! Okay, we'll use Falling Star Smash again. 17 buttons. Okay, we'll use Supernova. We have our big spell ready. Guys, I just got that wrong. That is so bad. He has enough for Falling Star Smash. And oh no. Wait, what? Bro! I had in my level 1 pets. Okay, we need a miracle. Okay, we did take him out. Please, please, please miss. Please miss, please miss, please miss.
Bruh.
Alright guys, it is a little while later right now, and I have to stick to my end of the promise. I just lost the battle, so go to the first link down below, entered in this membership that I just lost. Alright, thank you guys for watching.